How to add an anime sticker on a sidewalk in Photoshop. First of all, create a background copy. Then go to Filter Vanishing Point. Now, create a plane by clicking and dragging to set the perspective area. Once it's ready, go to your sticker image, select Subject, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now return to your project, open Filter Vanishing Point again, and press Ctrl+V to paste the sticker. Drag it onto the area you created and adjust the angle so it fits naturally on the surface. Next, go to blending options and tweak the opacity or mode until it looks realistic. Zoom in, make sure everything looks perfect, and that's it, your anime sticker effect is ready.